Hello everyone. So today we're going to do a one card spread guidance message for the day. Let's see what the cards hold for us. What energy is it bringing for the day today? And before proceeding, please close your eyes and think about a question जो आप चाहते हो जिसका भी answer let's say how your day is going to be. Yeah, you have some particular work that is about to happen today, तो वो काम होगा या नहीं हो पाएगा. तो guidance regarding that, how your finances for the day are going to be. अगर आप किसी तरीके की डील में जा रहे हैं, you're about to go for an interview, how the interview is going to be for you. So yes, close your eyes and think about a question for you. Meanwhile, I shuffle the cards. Take 3 deep breaths. Think about a question and seek in an intention कि जो भी आपके लिए सबसे अच्छा हो for the day, that comes for you. Whatever is for your highest good, you get that as an answer. So, seeking out the card, uh, you can see the card is a Two of Swords. Two of Swords is the card. So, I would say it is not a very good day for for starting out a project. In case you have something in mind, let's keep a pause for a day and then start with it. Starting out a project, थोड़ी सी you need to be more careful about the decisions that you're about to take, or not being very as you can see in the card, the bearer is blindfolded. तो किसी भी aspect में लाइफ में बहुत blindfold होके कोई decision नहीं लेना है. That you're just going. So you do not have to take any decisions blindfoldedly. आपको you have to introspect a lot. You have to go for you have to understand what lies behind the physical eyes. So there could be something even in relationships. Even if you're going for, let's say, a job interview kind of a thing, तो जो भी आपको ऊपर ऊपर से सामने सामने दिख रहा है, सिर्फ उसको देख के don't take immediate actions. Don't take immediate steps. Just think about it very carefully and listen to your gut feeling. Listen to what your mental ability is telling you, and then go for a call. Is what the day's energy is all about. You need to bring in a balance today. You need to be in equilibrium. If you see, the card is also signifying a moon here. So yes, some sort of mental traumas, mental issues can crop up for the day, but then you need to be very careful about it and tread in very in a very balanced way.
If you found this reading insightful, please like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with future content. You can also learn tarot, numerology, akashic and psychic reading from me. Please contact on the numbers given.